In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment icons on the Shopify product page. Adding payment icons is a great way to build trust with your customers. When shoppers see familiar logos like credit cards, PayPal, or other payment providers directly under the Add to Cart button, they feel more confident that your store is secure and legitimate. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process so you can set this up quickly and correctly. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the main menu on the left, look for the section labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click that, and then choose Themes. This is where all the design and layout settings for your storefront live. On the Themes page, find the theme you're currently using. You'll see a button that says Customize. Click Customize to open the theme editor. This editor lets you visually change your store without touching too much code. But for payment icons, we'll usually need to work with a small snippet of code. Once you're in the theme editor, look for the drop-down at the top that lets you choose different page templates and select a product page. This ensures that any changes you make will be visible on your actual product pages, where we want the icons to appear. Now, find the section that controls the product information, typically called Product Information, Product Form, or something similar. This is the area that contains the product title, price, description, and the Add to Cart button. We want the payment icons to show near that button so customers see them right before they commit to buying. Depending on your theme, you might see a built-in block for payment icons or a block called Payment or Trust Badges. If you see one of these, select it and enable the payment icons. You can usually drag this block so that it appears right below the Add to Cart button. Click Save, then preview a product page to make sure the icons look good and are clearly visible. If your theme doesn't have a built-in option, you may need to add a small piece of code or a custom block as provided by your payment provider or an app. In that case, paste the code into the appropriate product section following your theme's instructions. Save your changes and preview again. Once you're happy with the placement and design, click Save one more time. Your Shopify product pages will now display payment icons, helping customers feel more secure and ready to complete their purchase.